Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. So in this video we are going to learn how to set up webhook inside Flock. So Flock is a versatile team communication and collaboration platform that brings all your work conversations and tools into one place. It provides real-time messaging, allowing team members to chat instantly, share files, and even start video calls without leaving the app. With dedicated channels for different projects or topics, Flock helps keep conversations organized and ensure that everyone stays in the loop. One of the great things about Flock is its integration with a variety of other tools and apps like Google Drive, Trello, and Asana, which means you can access and manage all your essentials resources right from within Flock. Additionally, it offers task management features, enabling teams to create to-do lists, assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress effortlessly. People use Flock because it simplifies team communication and collaboration. It's designed to enhance productivity by reducing the need for lengthy email threads and multiple apps. The user-friendly interface and robust features set make it ideal for small to medium-sized teams that want to stay connected, organized, and efficient. Whether you are brainstorming ideas, managing projects, or providing customer support, Flock helps streamline your workflows and keep your team productive. So this was the introduction of this application. So now here let me show you that how you can connect Flock with Pabbly Connect in order to send information from Flock to any other application. So here to build this connection, I'm going to use Webhook, and Webhook is going to act as a bridge between Flock and Pabbly Connect so that whenever a new channel message is received on a Flock channel, automatically Pabbly Connect will capture the response. Or you can use Webhook to connect one application to another application in order to send the information from one application to another application. So here let's suppose that I am a team manager and I am managing different channels on Flock with my different team members. So here in this case I want whenever a new message on my specific channel is received, automatically I should receive a notification on my any other communication platform. So here to build this connection, I need to choose my trigger application as Flock and my action application as that particular communication platform. So here we are going to learn how to set up Webhook inside Flock. And here to learn this entire process, we are going to choose our trigger application as Flock. And here in my trigger event, I'm going to select my event as send and receive messages so that whenever we send or receive any message on a particular Flock channel, automatically Pabbly Connect will capture the response. And here you can see we have received a webhook URL. That means we are going to use this webhook URL to connect our Flock account with Pabbly Connect. So here following the instructions given below, here it says log into your Flock account and then navigate to your developer dashboard. So here as I've already logged in my Flock account, I'm going to click on this developer dashboard link given over here. So here I'm going to click on this. And here you can see it has taken me to my developer dashboard. And from here you can see on the left side I have received the option for webhooks. So here I'm going to click on this. And here under webhooks, you can see we have received two options that are incoming webhook and outgoing webhook. So here in the incoming webhook, it says post messages to a Flock channel from another service. And outgoing webhook says send messages from a Slack channel to another service. So here I'm going to use this outgoing webhook. So here I'm going to click on this add option here. And here you can see now it is asking for send messages from a channel. That means here I have to select my particular channel on which I want to set up this webhook. So here I'm going to select a channel such as Pabs Hub so that whenever a new message is sent on this channel, automatically Pabbly Connect will receive a response. And here it is asking me to give a name to my webhook. So here I'm going to give the name as message bot moving forward. And then here it is asking for callback URL. That means here we are going to enter the webhook URL we have received in our Pabbly's window. So moving back to Pabbly's window, and here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. Moving back to my developer dashboard, and here I'm going to enter this webhook URL. Now here after adding this webhook URL moving forward, and then it is asking me for a webhook icon. So I can use a default icon or I can upload the icon here. So for this case, I'm going to use the default icon, but if you want to upload an icon, then you can upload the icon from here. Moving forward, and now here after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on the save settings. And here you can see it says successfully created a new outgoing webhook. Flock messages from the channel Pabs Hub will be posted to the following callback URL. That means we have successfully set up the webhook for our Flock channel. So moving back to Pabli's window. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to post a message on our specific Flock channel. So moving back to my Flock account. And here you can see my channel which I have created with the name Pabs Hub. So here I'm going to enter a message which says, "Hello team, welcome to our channel." So this is a short message which I'm going to send to this channel. So here you can see I have successfully sent a message here. So now let's go and check our Pabli's window. And here you can see we have successfully received the response here where we have received the token, timestamp and the text which we have sent which says, "Hello team, welcome to our channel." Also we have received the ID and the form. So with this we have successfully set up this connection. So once we have set up this connection, whenever we will send or receive any messages on that particular Flock channel, automatically a new response will be captured in Pabli Connect. Now if you want to receive a notification for this message or you want to forward this message to any other communication platform, then you can do it simply by selecting your action application in this action step given over here. So these were the steps to how to set up a webhook inside Flock. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabli Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabli.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabli.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabli.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.